Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at the boom and crash index, how we can scalp to make some profit used on the boom and crash index. Okay, I'm going to run through the boom index and the crash index. I'm talking about the boom 1000, boom 500, then the crash 1000 and crash 500 indices. Okay, first of all, I'm looking at the boom 1000 index on a daily time frame. The boom 1000 index on the daily time frame is currently going up, more like price has formed a prime price has formed a bottom. Look at this uh look at this bullish engulfing candle and look at the reaction. So it's going up. That's the daily time frame. The 4-hour time frame, look at a break of structure. You can see triple bottom. Okay, and the boom index on the 4-hour time frame is going up. It's already at the resistance area here. I see it getting to this point and possibly getting to this point. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, boom index is going up. Okay, you can see the first bottom, because it's a triple bottom or inverted head and shoulder. The left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. This is the boom 1000 index, and it's currently going up. So you can scalp buy boom 1000 index. You'll be fine. Okay, look at break of structure. Look at the structure here. Got broken to the top side, and price. Look at this inverted head and shoulder here on the this is the 1 hour time frame. Boom 1000 inverted head and shoulder. Okay, inverted head and shoulder. We had the similar inverted head and shoulder on the 4-hour. Now we also have it on the 1 hour time frame. So it's going up. You can look for buying opportunities. Look at the 30 minutes time frame. The trend line is respected. Okay, tested, still ticking up. Okay, spiking up. You can always catch the spikes as price goes up. Look at, not really looking back whatsoever, just going up. Okay, your stop loss for this particular run, it could be at every point you enter the trade. Stop loss could be, if you enter your trade now, this should be your stop loss. Okay, stop loss should be somewhere here. So the highest or the longest drawdown, you can measure it on the chart and use that as your stop loss on the particular time frame you are looking at. Okay, let's look at the 5 minutes time frame, still going up. Just continue to catch the spike for now on boom 1000 index. Catch the spike for now. Catch the spike for now. This is 1 minute time frame. Try to catch the spike. Okay, on the 1 minute time frame, your stop loss could be as let's see which one has the highest drawdown. Okay, you can take this. Okay, so this could be yours. If you enter your buy here now, your stop loss should be somewhere around here on the 1 minute time frame. So try and catch the spike on boom 1000. Let's go to crash 1000 index. This is the daily time frame for crash 1000 index. You can see we are trying to have a double top for crash 1000 index. Okay, double top. Okay, but this boom and crash index, it could just go up. But on the 4-hour time frame, okay, it's more obvious. The double top is more obvious. It's still forming, not completely formed, but it's obvious on the 4-hour time frame. This crash 1000 index is obvious, but if it drops, then it breaks the neckline around here, then you can start selling the spike as it spikes down. Okay, that's the 4-hour time frame. The 1-hour time frame, this is a bullish structure. Okay, this is a bullish structure. It met resistance at this level. Okay, price met resistance at this level, and you can see this other block is holding. It tested the other block and started to spike down. Okay, but it's trying to go up, so but it still look bullish to me. On the 30 minutes time frame, this looks bullish to me. Okay, look at this. Okay, let's just based on this trend line, you can see price is trying to break the trend line. Okay, Price trying to break that trend line, so it looks bullish to me. Okay, on the 15 minutes time frame, crash 1000 index. Okay, you can see this trend line, you know, we are having a double bottom, crash 1000, 15 minutes time frame, double bottom. Okay, so try and look for buying opportunities on crash 1000, but it will start spiking down. Look at this 5 minutes time frame. Okay, look for buying opportunities on crash 1000. Okay, on the 1 minute you can see it's not spiking yet. Look for buying opportunities. Okay, on the larger time, on the larger picture. Okay, that's that for crash 1000. Let's quickly look at boom 500 index. This is going down. Okay, it's already at the support. Still another support here on the daily time frame. Boom 500 is already at the support. Okay, it's already at this support here. And we have another one here, support around here. So it's still going down. So expecting this descending trend line. Look at this descending trend line. So expecting the descending trend line. So boom 500 is still going down. It's not spiking up for now. For now, it's not spiking up. And take a look at this. There's a structure around here, and it's just been broken. Okay, this is the daily time frame. Let's look at the, oh sorry, that was the 1 hour time frame. Let's look at the daily time frame. That was the 1 hour time frame. I beg your pardon. For boom 500 on the daily time frame, we have a double top forming. Double top forming. This is the first top. This is the second top. Okay, so we might be looking at a break of this neckline here for boom 500, but for now on the daily time frame, double top forming, you can see it's more elaborate, it's more visible on the 4 hour time frame. This is the top, this is another top. Okay, more visible on the 4 hour time frame. So we'll just be expecting a break of this neckline around the 3718 area. Okay, if it breaks this neckline, then we expect price to continue to go down. And if it's going to go down, if it breaks the neckline, it's going to go down to, first of all, get to this stop here, this support, and then drop to this support. Okay, we are looking at the 4 hour time frame. We have this other block here, another other block around here. So that's boom 500 on the 4 hour time frame. We've looked at the 1 hour time frame. Is going down on the 1 hour time frame. It's going down. It's going for the supports at the bottom. So that's that for boom 500 index. For boom 500 index on the 30 minutes time frame, just look for selling opportunities. Okay, until it spikes up and breaks above this particular trend line here. Okay, if it does not break above that trend line on the 30 minutes time frame, continue to sell the break of structure. Look at the break of structure around here. The broke structure around there. Broke structure around here. Okay, so broke structure around here. Look at, just broke the structure to the downside. So keeps breaking structure to the downside on the 30 minutes time frame. Let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. Still bearish. Just keep selling. Boom 500 index to bearish. 5 minutes also bearish. 1 minute also bearish. Okay, if you are going to, on the 15 minutes time frame, if you are going to have your stop loss even as you sell, let's look for the maximum drawdown. If you're going to have your stop loss, okay, if you sell at this point, if you sell place your sell at this point, your stop loss should be somewhere around here, the maximum drawdown on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so let's look at of course, boom and crash does not respect stop loss in against the spike. When you are trading against the spike, your stop loss might not be respected. Okay, let's finally look at crash 500 index on the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame for crash 500 index. You can see on the daily time frame it spiked down and it's currently retracing. Okay, if you use your Fibonacci retracement tool, you can know which point is going to retrace up to. Currently it has broken the 23.6 Fibonacci level. You might get to 38.2 Fibonacci level and start to go down. Okay, so that you can test this support area here. But that's that for the daily time frame. Is a bearish market on the daily time frame, but it's trying to retrace for now. Do not be deceived. Price starts, to sell. Okay, this is the 4-hour time frame. Still, 4-hour time frame is somehow bullish in the sense that we have a low here, we have a high here. Okay, you can see this higher low. You can see this higher low. Okay, you can see a higher high. Okay, you can see a higher low, and then higher high, and then higher low. Okay, that's on the 4-hour time frame. We are looking at crash 500 index. Then we now have a higher high, okay, that ended up as a fake out, and price now broke this structure for us to have a change of character around here. Okay, now price is already retracing this move. Let's look at our Fibonacci 2. It's already retracing this move around the 61.8 area. Okay, is it going to go up? Okay, is it going to go up, or is it going to continue down? Only time will tell. But we are on crash 500 index 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. We can see like a triple bottom on the 1-hour time frame. This is the first bottom. This is the second bottom, and this is the third bottom on the 1-hour time frame. So we are crash 500 index is currently buying on the 1-hour time frame until we see a spike that will break this ascending trend line. You should look for buying opportunities for now. Okay, looking at the 30 minutes time frame, still respecting this trend line. Look for buying opportunity. Once the spike drops against this trend line, then you can start to sell. Okay, still respecting the trend line, but we are now on the 15 minutes time frame. You can see a bearish engulfing. So if you are going to scalp sell, you can enter now. Of course, it's going to target, if you enter your scalp sell now, it's going to target this support area. Of course, it's almost at the support area. If that support area breaks, if it does not hold and breaks, it will also target the next support area if it continues to spike downward. That's crash 500 index on the 15 minutes time frame. Look at the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, it's time to sell on 5 minutes. Okay, we'll just go up a bit back to this initial support area, get back to that place, and then spike downward. So if you're going to spike downward, you're going to target this other block here on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, you're going to spike to this other block. You can now find support here and then go up. Okay, but for now, on the 5 minutes time frame, look for scalp selling opportunities because of this particular engulfing candlestick. On the 1 minute time frame, look at what's happening on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, broke structure, okay, to the downside. Okay, so it's going to scalp sell. So that's that for today's video. Tomorrow we'll try and see if we can do another video on boom and crash index and how you can scalp boom and crash index. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button. Click the like button if you like the video. Click the bell button below the video for notification. You can drop comment, ask question, try as much as possible to respond to your comments. Okay, you can visit our website www.fxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade boom and crash. You can also visit another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade boom and crash. Till I come your way tomorrow, is bye for now.